Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equal to u square. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have to u du. Because I want to cancel the square root, that's why I select this one. So this one you got about u. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 2u. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have dt equals to 2 du. dv that is about e to the power of u du. The integration of this one that is about this one. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we put number 2 in here. And now we have the integration e to the power of u du. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both side, and we got u equals to the square root of x. So I will put this one to change for u. Now let's go to the second one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to u to the power of 3. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. The x we change for this one. This one you got about u. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 3u square. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have 2u du. dv that is about sine u du. The integration of this one, we have negative cosine u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. And then we have the integration u with negative cosine u. So negative and negative, we have positive. Now we can use about integration by parts again, and that is about u. This one we have du. dv that is about cosine u. The integration of this one, we have sine u. So in this situation, we have u multiplied by psi u minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration psi u du. So the integration of this one, that is about cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put the cube root for the both side, and you got u equals to this one. So we need to change u into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.